Treasury Secretary Tim Geithner is facing a tough crowd overseas with good reason, says my next guest. He is Congressman Mark Kirk of Illinois. All right, Congressman, I know we're going to talk about the Chinese lending us money. Okay. Tim Geithner, Treasury Secretary, he's just on his way back from China. You have just come back from China. Can you tell us, I'm sure you had discussions about this because you're an expert on the subject, are they willing and ready and able to lend us $1 trillion this year?
No, and I think what they're doing is very politely continuing some lending to the United States at previous rates. But I would say at the second and third tier leadership levels of the Chinese government, there's no more appetite for lending money to the United States. And the laughter that Secretary Geithner received at Peking University was reflective of what the middle bureaucracy and the Chinese public thinks about the security of their U.S. investments.
Well, Congressman, as you know, if the Chinese withdraw their support or withdraw their buying of U.S. treasuries, then the price goes down and the yield goes up. I just want to show our viewers for a moment the yield on the 10-year treasury. Don't want to get too technical, but that, of course, is a key indicator. We're almost back to 3.7% right now, Congressman, and next week there is a very big borrowing operation of 10-year treasuries and 30-year treasuries. Are you telling us that the Chinese might not be that enthusiastic about buying into these issues?
They're not. They're particularly worried about $300 billion in investments they've made in Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, and also the over $760 billion they've invested in treasuries. So what China is doing now is attempting to get off dollars. They're making enormous investments in commodities, especially funding and filling a second petroleum reserve for them. And they're buying twice the amount of gold that's in Fort Knox, all as a hedge against a dollar inflation, which they expect to hit next year.
Now, none of this came out from Secretary Geithner in his appearances in the media when he was in China and on the way back from China. I guess he was trying to put the best possible face on things.
He was, and so was I. I chose not to criticize my government when I was overseas. But it's clear the dollar faces two critical threats. Runaway spending in the Congress, which will boost the deficit above the budgeted levels, because I think Speaker Pelosi will clearly waive the budget at the end of the year and more. And secondly, the Fed's policy of buying debt with printed money, now at $132 billion as of this morning. This forms the real key of fear that the Chinese feel. As one Chinese leader said, the policy shocked us and was completely unconventional, you using printed money to buy your own debt.
All right, Congressman Mark Kirk, you're our expert on Treasury securities, fresh back from China. We appreciate your input. Thanks very much indeed.
Thank you. Thanks for having us.
Okay.